Good evening, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I've talked in previous videos about gold showing sell signals on the chart, that it's had a good run, and that for my clients, I was advising to reduce positions after gold's good run, and it was showing a lot of sell signals on the chart. And of course, probably time to admit I was wrong about that. The charting is a probability game, and also, managing risk for clients means sometimes you may reduce exposure to things that continue to move up in price. But firstly, let's acknowledge the high in gold and let's have a look at what I was looking at back in June, July, August, September. So if we bring this chart back to, say, end of August, and we have a look at the price of gold, we can see, to start 2025, January 2025, gold was in quite a solid uptrend. You can see the uptrend line there. Now, note around June, gold broke the uptrend. You can see it was riding that trend for quite some time, got a little bit ahead of itself, came back to test, broke below. And if we zoom in here, you can see once we break down from the uptrend, you can see it returns to the scene of the crime. We had three tests, four tests, and each time gold respected that previous uptrend line. At the same time that was occurring, we could see negative divergence on the momentum indicators, which is generally a sell signal or a sign that the uptrend is or has lost momentum. And so as the price was continuing to, it was really struggling to get through that sort of 3,500 level, 34.75 level, lots of resistance there. So there was a lot of indication that maybe the price it was a little bit overdone. It had had a massive run. In the space of about 20 months, gold almost doubled in price. And you can see many sell signals on the chart. And then, of course, if we drag it across, you can see what happened. It defied, and that shows how strong gold and silver have been, how strong precious metals have been. There's also been the US dollar has been quite weak and showing signs of turning, and a rising US dollar would put downward pressure on gold. That's for another video, but just keep in mind that that was part of the analysis as well. And we can see if we extend this trend line that gold was in, you can see around September, gold broke out early September to a fresh high above 3,600. It recaptured that trend line, tested it again, and now it's gone on today to make another all-time record high. So, um, just pointing out that charting is about probability, that managing risk, managing your positions, advising clients to take profits when they're available. Sometimes it means taking them too early. So just wanted to acknowledge what's happened on the chart while I was looking at that. And if we have a quick look at the 5-year chart, we can see the massive uptrend that gold's in. I'm about to run out of time, but from the low in October 2022 to now, it's up 134%. And again, even on the weekly chart right now, it's showing another negative divergence signal. It's had this massive run. It's way extended from any uptrend. So gold is very strong, but at some point it's probably going to run into a little bit of resistance. But just wanted to cover what happened, what I was looking at, and where things went wrong. Cheers. Thanks for listening.